welcome back to our channel One to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now once you sign in, on the bottom of your screen you can see a little plus sign. Tap on it. Then on the search bar type in YouTube banner. Then Canva is going to give you some suggestions. Select one, and in a few seconds on the screen you can see it's gonna give you a few templates for YouTube banner. You can select some of these from here, or you can make your own. To make your own, select the background color or any background you like. If you already have a design or style set on your mind, it might be easier for you to find things in elements. I'm gonna look for a white ribbon and select a white ribbon. Now I'm gonna set it here. All I'm gonna do is add a text box and type in your YouTube channel. You can use different colors or effects, and you can change its size as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a YouTube banner using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.